I am AI avatar of CA Ratal Munra. India's International Financial Services Center, commonly known as GIFT IFSC, is rapidly emerging as a preferred destination for insurance and reinsurance companies seeking international expansion. Located in Gujarat's GIFT City, this financial hub offers a globally competitive platform for conducting insurance business in foreign currencies. With the support of the International Financial Services Centers Authority, or IFSCA, GIFT IFSC has created an ecosystem that enables insurers, reinsurers, and insurance intermediaries to serve international markets efficiently. Organizations can undertake cross-border insurance transactions, international risk underwriting, and global reinsurance activities while benefiting from a dedicated regulatory framework designed to meet international standards. As global insurance markets evolve, GIFT IFSC is positioning itself as India's answer to major financial hubs like Singapore, Dubai, and London. The insurance ecosystem within GIFT IFSC opens up multiple opportunities for international and domestic insurance organizations. Insurance companies can provide coverage for international risks and cater to overseas customers. Reinsurance companies can support insurers worldwide by offering additional capacity and risk-sharing arrangements. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to operate in foreign currencies. This enables companies to serve international clients more effectively without many of the restrictions commonly found in domestic insurance markets. The platform also encourages innovation in insurance products, risk management practices, and underwriting models, allowing organizations to create globally competitive insurance solutions. Launching an insurance or reinsurance entity in GIFT IFSC begins with defining a clear business strategy. Organizations must determine the nature of their operations, identify target markets, design insurance products, and establish underwriting policies. Following this, companies must select the appropriate regulatory structure, such as an insurance office, reinsurance office, or insurance intermediary. The next phase involves obtaining approvals from IFSCA and setting up the necessary infrastructure, governance mechanisms, risk management systems, and operational frameworks. This process requires careful planning because regulatory compliance, capital adequacy, and operational readiness are all interconnected and play a critical role in securing approval. While the opportunities are significant, establishing an insurance entity in GIFT IFSC is a complex undertaking. Organizations must make strategic decisions regarding their legal structure and operational model. They must also satisfy stringent governance and compliance requirements established by IFSCA. Additionally, applicants must demonstrate financial capability, appoint qualified managerial personnel, establish internal controls, and implement risk management systems. Even minor deficiencies in documentation or compliance readiness can result in delays in licensing and operational commencement. Therefore, expert planning and regulatory guidance are essential for a smooth market entry. The licensing process in GIFT IFSC follows a structured approach. It begins with an initial consultation to define the business model and regulatory strategy. The applicant then submits a detailed application through the SWIT portal, including supporting documents and financial information. IFSCA reviews promoter credentials, governance frameworks, financial capability, and future business projections. Upon satisfactory review, an approval letter and in-principle approval are granted. The applicant must then fulfill all specified conditions, establish operational infrastructure, recruit key personnel, and complete compliance requirements before receiving the certificate of registration and commencing operations. IFSCA serves as the unified regulator for all financial services activities within GIFT IFSC. Its responsibilities include regulating banking, insurance, capital markets, and fund management entities operating within the IFSC ecosystem. Insurance activities are governed under the IFSCA Insurance Business Regulations, which establish globally aligned standards for conducting insurance and reinsurance business. The regulator focuses on ensuring transparency, solvency, financial stability, effective governance, and risk management practices. This creates confidence among global investors and insurance stakeholders seeking a stable and internationally recognized jurisdiction. Strong documentation is one of the most critical components of obtaining regulatory approval. Applicants must prepare a comprehensive insurance business plan that outlines their objectives, products, target markets, and operational strategy. In addition, organizations must establish corporate governance policies, underwriting guidelines, risk management frameworks, and compliance procedures. AML, KYC, and financial crime prevention measures must also be documented and implemented. Regulators expect applicants to demonstrate strong governance, transparent reporting mechanisms, and effective internal controls before granting operational approval. GIFT IFSC provides flexibility by allowing multiple insurance business structures. Foreign insurers can establish insurance offices to underwrite international insurance business and serve overseas clients. These offices operate in foreign currencies and remain subject to IFSCA oversight. Global reinsurers can establish reinsurance offices to participate in international reinsurance markets and support risk transfer activities. Insurance intermediaries, including brokers, reinsurance brokers, and corporate agents, can also operate from GIFT IFSC, facilitating international insurance placements and cross-border risk coverage. This flexibility enables companies to choose a structure aligned with their business objectives. Receiving regulatory approval is only the beginning of the journey. Before commencing operations, entities must recruit key managerial personnel, establish office infrastructure, implement underwriting systems, and deploy compliance reporting mechanisms. After launch, IFSC entities must comply with numerous regulatory reporting requirements, including monthly progress reports, SERF filings, annual reporting obligations, and solvency certifications. Additionally, organizations must fulfill GST, ROC, AML, KYC, FIU reporting, cybersecurity, and governance obligations. Maintaining continuous compliance is essential to sustain operations and preserve regulatory standing within GIFT IFSC. GIFT IFSC is increasingly being compared with leading global financial centers such as Singapore and Dubai. Its unique value proposition lies in the combination of strong regulatory support, competitive operating costs, and access to one of the world's fastest growing insurance markets. Organizations operating from GIFT IFSC benefit from attractive tax incentives, foreign currency operations, and integration with banking, capital market, and fund management ecosystems. As India's financial services landscape continues to expand, GIFT IFSC is expected to become a major global center for insurance and reinsurance activities, offering unparalleled opportunities for growth, innovation, and international market access. Moon Says and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC excellence, a pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support, and handling compliances, risk management. Renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university, BATF, and ancillary regulations and fintech. Expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA, comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network. Scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.